Human, how about a little game of dice?
You want to play dice, Rudolph? Alright, I'm game. But don't get your hopes up, I'm pretty good.
We'll see about that. Prepare to be amazed by my feline prowess. You start, Human.
Oh, no, I can't believe this.
Human, you lose. Watch me and learn. A real master must prepare himself first, so be patient. I'm concentrating for the game. And now we can start. Prepare to be defeated. 12 cargo, I win you lose, I told you I'm the best, Human.
Alright, you win this round. I can't believe I'm losing to a cat.
Just call me the Dice Master. Now, where's my victory treat?
Coming right up, Your Majesty. You earned it.